Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Apartments.com app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Apartments.com is a rental search app designed to help users find apartments, condos, and houses for rent. The app provides detailed listings with photos, floor plans, pricing, availability, and neighborhood insights. It also allows users to filter searches by location, price range, amenities, pet policies, and more. Favorites can be saved, tours scheduled, and property managers contacted directly through the app. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate the app for its clean and intuitive interface, robust search filters, and frequent updates to listings. The ability to save favorites, receive notifications for new or updated listings, and schedule tours makes the rental search process more efficient. Many users also like that it aggregates a wide variety of rental options in one place. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional outdated listings or inaccuracies in availability. Ads may sometimes be intrusive, and some advanced features require creating an account. Search results can vary by region, and not all property details are always complete. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button, it really supports the channel. In summary, the Apartments.com app may be worth using if you're searching for rental properties efficiently with comprehensive filtering options and up-to-date listings. It excels in ease of use, organization, and direct communication with property managers. However, occasional outdated listings and ads might affect the experience. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.